Everyone, welcome back to ForexScholars. I hope you all had a great start to the week. A lot of action in Monday and Tuesday due to CAD CPI data, and then there's a lot of news flow going around Putin. There's a lot of news flow going around Joe Biden speaking, Ukraine war, a lot of things happening all in all, and Forex market has been reacting towards it quite aggressively. Now, when we talk about major news, one of the biggest news that we receive every quarter is the FOMC minutes, the Fed increasing rates or decreasing rates, and I think this time they're gonna increase rates as well, because I have been telling this for a while now. Robust job increases, earnings income, all of this leads to higher people spending money, and this automatically leads to higher inflation. And that is what we also saw yesterday, US market reacting to. I think somewhere people knew that Fed will increase rates, and that is why there was a 1.5% sell-off in the US markets yesterday. And one of the major reasons for people reacting that way is, now you may say that, oh, why did they react that way if they knew that inflation is going to come higher? But here's the twist. The actual thing is, people and investors are not believing that Fed will keep on increasing rates, since the Fed futures, there is an index that the investors trade, Fed rate futures or something like that, and people are not betting that Fed will increase rates in the coming future or by the end of this year. And that is why when they saw that things are not coming their way, and when they actually saw that the interest rates are gonna increase this quarter, the yesterday's sell-off was triggered. So now let's talk a bit about what is happening in the dollar index. Once we take a look at the dollar index on an hourly time frame, we can see that it is clearly bullish. There is no signs of weakness whatsoever. So I think it is setting up nicely to reach this 105 level, which I've been talking about for weeks now. We are gonna hit 105 anyway, and if the interest rates are more than expected, then I think we are gonna easily cross 105 levels as well. So this means only one thing, that the USD pairs are gonna move violently higher, and the other against USD pairs are gonna move violently low. One of the major examples of that is, as you take a look at the gold chart, gold is looking quite bearish, as I've been telling for months. But if gold anyhow comes between the $1,820 to $1,827 range, it's a very good buy. It's a great OB there. The last time the moment that happened was also from this particular OB only. So yeah, we can always expect that gold can move higher if at all it comes to this OB before the news impact comes. But if not, then we have to just ignore it before any news has been triggered. We cannot take longs in gold or any against USD pairs. Now let's take a look at USD JPY. The yen, USD JPY has been so strong for the past couple of weeks that it has been just violently moving aggressively higher. And as we speak, why yen is moving higher, I see no reason why yen can even decrease from now. It can easily shoot up to 137 levels, where we can find the next supply and maybe find a chalk and short there. But as of now, we only have to trade on the long side in the yen. Now, as we speak about strong pairs, you can also look at USD CAD. USD CAD is looking brilliant. It gave a change of character, it gave a break of structure, and currently we are looking at this particular OB to trade on. This OB can lead to very good movement on the upside. So let's say if news comes and by any chance the wick touches this point, I think you should be able to get into this trade and catch a nice little risk to reward ratio here, because it can be a very rewarding trade. Now let's take a look at NZD and AUD USD. Both the pairs are looking extremely bearish. Nothing much to be there in NZD USD and AUD USD. Although NZD USD at a great demand zone, we can expect some movement on the upside if it doesn't break it. But if it breaks it, we have to look at AUD USD. AUD USD has some imbalance to be filled. It is still a lot of way from filling this entire imbalance over here. And only then, if we closely look, we can find some OB over here. So I don't think AUD USD is in any ways to move higher from this particular level. It has to dump in order to move higher. If we take a look at the smaller time frame in AUD USD, I have set up this nice little thing which you can trade. This particular OB can give good movement in AUD USD as well, since it has given a second mitigation. It has given a first mitigation and continuation of the downtrend. So yeah, it is pretty confirming, and you can try to trade AUD USD as well. So these are the all update, guys. GBP USD and UR USD are also not looking so great, so we have to wait until what happens tonight. But after that, we can be pretty sure as to where to long and where to short. So this was the entire update. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment your queries, follow me on IG or Telegram if you want to, and please share this video with your trading peers to help me and to also help them. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll meet you in another new video.